ready?
I want to share how you will get epic skin in this Aspirant Unite event. So I already got 3 skins here, 3 epic skins and 1 Lightborn harith. So I've already collected free tokens, so I need to spend 100 diamonds and 250 diamonds, but first we will spend the free tokens. So the technique is just to watch first the hero that you want. Wait for it to finish.
Overwhelming force is the only thing the end.
Watch again the favorite hero that you want to have.
My inner light will instruct me.
So it will give you chance to get that hero. So let's watch another hero. Aldous. I like that skin.
No one jeopardizes Los Pecados. Not on my watch.
So let's draw. I hope that we'll get lucky again. Oh, not okay. So let's try to watch again.
Overwhelming force is the only thing.
It's up to you how many heroes that you want to watch. So the more you watch, the more chances of winning hero that you like.
Harith, go back to your crypt with your minions.
Let's watch. Let's watch another.
No criminal goes unpunished.
Let's draw. See? I'll make Nana.
Friends with Nana?
Told you. So you only need to draw one token at a time. See? Told you. So let's draw again. Whoa, you get lucky bolt. I mean, it. Girl. Okay. So, what I got for my free 10 tokens is Harith, this 3, Brock, Layla, Cloud, Nana, and I also got these Pupil and Koopa hunting paws. Watch again. Hope that you get that deep.
Overwhelming force is the.
So let's watch another. Tangi or Tangi?
Sorry for coming for the
So let's watch again.
They call me a hero.
Hopefully we get
Save
like
my mission for falling apart.
Hopefully we get color skin. Nice. Let's draw. I only got 3 free tokens. Okay. I only got 2. Let's watch another. That's what we do. We just need to watch the kill the one.
Overwhelming force is the only thing the end.
We get lucky again. Nope. Okay, only 1 draw. So let's watch again.
Overwhelming force is the only thing the end.
Okay. skin. Okay. So we need to spend 100 diamonds to get 2 free tokens, and then we need to spend 250 diamonds to get another free 2 tokens. Okay, so let's watch again.
Overwhelming force is the overwhelming force is the
So let's draw 100 tokens. Let's draw for 100 tokens. Please. Oh my. So we have to spend 250 diamonds again to get the free tokens. Okay, let's spend. Before we spend, we need to watch again. Let's draw now. 15 nifty. Oh. You can claim now the 4 free tokens. So let's claim it. Okay, so we got 4 free tokens remaining. Let's watch again.
overwhelming force.
Let's draw now our remaining 4 tokens. So you need to draw 1 free token at a time. Oh. 3 free remaining tokens. Oh, basic skin. Okay.
I've been waiting for too long.
This is, I don't know if this is a basic skin or special skin. Okay. Okay. Please collect 15 or Lightborn signal. Lightborn signal. So 1 remaining free token. So we will draw our last free token. So hopefully we will get a nice skin. Oh, nah, we're not lucky. So that's it. Here are the skins that I collected here in Aspirants Unite event. I only recharged 369 diamonds for all of these skins, and it cost me 300 pesos. So by the way, if you recharge, don't forget to get this illumination effect, and if you like this spawn effect. I hope that you like this video. I hope that you learned something in collecting epic skins, basic skins, special skins, Lightborn skins. That's all, and see you in my next video.